Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about a succulent plant, pork and beans, also known as a jelly bean plant. You can water this plant every 10 days during spring and summer months, or more during really hot days, then give it a good drink when it dries out. If you live in a dry climate, you may have to water more. A humid climate, water less. Too much water, your leaves will be mushy and swell if you have to repot it in dry soil and give it a couple days, then water again. If it really is real soaked and everything and it's starting to look pretty bad, just repot it in dry soil. See if that helps. Too little water, your leaves will look wrinkly. Make sure your succulent gets plenty of sun to keep your leaves red, about 6 hours of indirect sunlight. Next we'll be showing some propagation. Now with the propagation, first of all, I put them in these containers and I keep them covered. You want to take a fallen leaf or break them off carefully with a twisting motion. So just grab one of these, and let's see, I can get this to focus. Just twist it carefully, comes right off. And I got a bunch down here I'm going to be propagating. Let the leaves dry out for a few days. I first moisten the soil a little bit and place in soil. Roots should start to sprout in about a few weeks. I usually like to cover mine like I just showed you. So I've had these in here a week now. I've already got some roots coming out, so you'll have a lot of new plants. Put him back in, and I got some more to put in. This one's already got a root coming out of it. I just stick them right in the soil. A lot of people lay them down, but I just stick them right in the bottom part first. And there's a lot more room in here. I just put them right in there. Make sure you put the bottom part first that you cut off, or you twisted off your plant. Let's just put that in there. Some succulents don't live long, but about 3 to 4 years, but send off a lot of babies during its lifespan. Also, you can do some propagation like we just did. On the other hand, a jade plant can live 70 to 100 years. Christmas cactus, 30 plus years. Aloe vera, 5 to 25 years. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. Thank you so much.